How do you identify hidden gluten on food labels? Imagine walking through a grocery store and feeling overwhelmed by the endless list of ingredients. You want to stay safe and avoid gluten, but it's not always obvious where it hides. That's what we're here to figure out today. Gluten is a protein found mainly in wheat, barley, rye, and their derivatives. It can sneak into foods under many different names, so reading labels carefully is key. Start by looking for obvious gluten sources like wheat, wheat flour, wheat starch, wheat germ, malt extract, malt syrup, malt vinegar, brewer's yeast, spelt, kamut, farros, emmer, semolina, couscous, bulgur, and gram. These clearly indicate gluten presence. But gluten can also hide in less obvious ingredients. For example, hydrolyzed wheat protein, which is often used in processed foods, can contain gluten. Modified food starch or vegetable starch might be made from wheat, so don't ignore these. Maltodextrin or dextrin can sometimes come from wheat as well, even if they seem harmless. Caramel color or flavorings may also contain gluten, especially if they are artificial. Many sauces and seasonings can contain gluten without obvious signs. Soy sauce, teriyaki sauce, some salad dressings, and processed snack foods often include gluten ingredients. When you see words like crusted, crispy, coated, or fried on packaging, it's a good idea to check if wheat flour was used in the coating or batter. Remember, some products do not have to list barley or rye explicitly because they are not among the top allergens required to be labeled. That means gluten from these grains might be present without clear mention. Always read the full ingredients list, not just allergen warnings. If a product claims to be gluten-free, it must contain less than 20 parts per million of gluten, according to Food and Drug Administration rules. But keep in mind, not all gluten-free labels are certified by third-party organizations. If you are highly sensitive or eating high-risk foods, look for products with certified gluten-free labels or contact the manufacturer directly to confirm. Practical tips include always reading the entire ingredients list, not just the allergen section. Familiarize yourself with the many names gluten can take. When in doubt, visit the manufacturer's website or call them to ask about specific ingredients. Joining gluten-free or celiac disease support groups can also help you share information about hidden gluten sources. Be especially cautious with processed, flavored, or imported foods, as labeling standards can vary widely. By carefully checking for known gluten ingredients, scrutinizing ambiguous terms, and choosing products with trusted gluten-free certifications, you can better avoid hidden gluten and stay safe on your gluten-free journey.